What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti Smart Key remote fob. This Infiniti remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now, if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the fob, we see these two notches, one right here and one right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch and then just twist like that. Come over here and do the same thing, put it in that notch and twist. And as I do that, it's starting to pop the shell apart. Once it's started, you can take your screwdriver and very carefully work your way around this crack. And it'll just continue to pop that apart. Once it's far enough apart, you can just go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off with your hands. And in the back half of the shell, we see the battery right here. I'll grab my screwdriver, use it to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down on the case like that. And now once we have our new battery installed, we'll go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Make sure it's all the way snapped shut. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.